Lesson 110, Concept 4, using tolerance expressed as a percent. So when you're given a value and a tolerance, but your tolerance isn't a static number, it's actually a percentage, the first step you're going to do is to convert that to a decimal. All right, so 2% should be 0.02, and if you're not sure how to convert percents to decimals, you're just dividing by 100 or moving the decimal place over to the left, 2. Okay. After you do that, then you're going to multiply your tolerance, that number, that decimal, by the value. So 100 times 0.02, and in this case, we've made it nice, so it turns out to be just a whole 2. And then we're going to do our equations as normal. Okay, and we can write it out ahead of time. Now we have our tolerance as 100 plus or minus 2. So our values are going to be 98 and 102. And anywhere between these two values will be within 2% of 100.